So students, now let us solve the first numerical based on the concept that we have just studied about the probable maximum precipitation and the probable extreme rainfall event. So the question, it says that a culvert is designed, so culvert is a hydraulic structure, right? A culvert is designed for a return period of 100 years. So 100 years is the return period, right? And has an expected life of 20 years. So you have designed the culvert for 20 years only, right? So the risk, though this is important, the new term, the risk in the hydrologic design is. Now, even if I have not told you the term about risk, now you tell me what actually risk is. If I say that you don't go there, there is risk. It means that if you fall from there, your life can be in danger, right? It means that risk means that the event should not happen at all. Should not happen at all. Even if it happens even once, the structure will fail, right? So that is your risk. So risk, I can say that the probability of exceeding, you can say the probability of happening it at least once. Because even if it happens at least once, the structure will fail, right? So probability of R greater than or equal to 1 is known as a risk. Simple. Clear? Now the four options are given. So first of all, I have to calculate the probability of happening, right? Probability of success. So probability of success that the structure will fail will be equal to 1 by T, 1 by return period. How much is return period? 100 years. It means that in 1 year, it has a probability of occurrence about 1 upon 100 in 1 year. That is equal to 0.01. 0.01. Now, probability of failure, that it will not occur, will be equal to, probability of failure will be equal to 1 minus 1 upon 100, that is 0.99, 99 upon 100, right? Now, I told you that if you want to calculate the probability of happening it at least once, there are two methods. First is probability of R is equals to 1 plus probability of R is equals to 2 plus so on, or you can say that probability of R greater than or equal to 1, it will be equal to 1 minus probability of R is equals to 0. Simple. Now let us, no need to apply this formula, it will be very long formula. So we have, being an engineer, we have to apply the shortest method, right? So it will be equal to 1 minus probability of R is equals to 0. That is NCR. N is for how much years? So the culvert has been designed for 20 years, right? So 20 C0 into P raised to the power 0. P is how much? 1 upon 100. So 1 upon 100 raised to the power 0 into Q raised to the power 20. How much is Q? Now 0.99 or 99 upon 100. So 99 upon 100 raised to the power 20. So let me simplify it and see the options also. So 1 minus this will be 1, this will be 1, and it will be equal to 0.99 raised to the power 20. So this is the correct answer. So which answer is this? So A is the correct answer. Clear? So I hope that you have understood this numerical. Now let's go to the numerical number 2 and further strengthen our concepts based on this concept. Thank you.